you're so beautiful. You should just be yourself.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about something a little different. So today these eyelashes that I'm wearing are magnetic lashes. They're from the brand Ardell, and I got the style Double Demi Wispy. So I always heard about these and I always wanted to try them, but I never have watched any reviews on them or seen anybody else talk about them or try them. So this is 100% my honest opinion. Nobody swayed my opinion. Yeah, and I just wanted to try them. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you may know that I went to BeautyCon this past weekend in New York City. So that's where I found these and I was just like, wow, like I'm gonna try them. So I think they were like $13. I don't know if they were really that much or if they were just that much at the event, but I paid around $13 for them. So that's not that bad. I love how they look and they do last all day. I will say that. You don't have to worry about it being glue and it falling off, or you know, if it is falling off, you don't have to worry about not having lash glue. You could just stick it right back on. But I'm gonna talk to you guys about the pros and the cons. Like, I did find it a little bit difficult to put them on, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about if I think that they're worth it. So if you're interested in watching me try and struggle to put them on, just, you know, keep watching and then stay tuned for my whole review. Okay guys, so this is how one set of the lashes looks on my left eye. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get, and I'm gonna explain to you why it's like kind of difficult to put them on. So these are what the lashes look like. You put one on them on top and one of them on the bottom, and then they magnet to each other. Okay, so like the concept seems so simple. So this is how the lashes look. These little black little boxes you see, those are the magnets. So when I got these, I was thinking, you know, oh my god, that's gonna save so much time. Like when I'm almost done my makeup, I can just, you know, throw these on and then that's it. All right, I'm gonna show you why that's not as easy as it sounds. Like I said, I just got these yesterday, so maybe I just don't understand the concept yet. So first of all, when I tried to just put one on top, I'm gonna try to do it so that you guys can see, and then put it underneath. First of all, you have to be careful of the angle, because sometimes if you just like go like this, it'll magnet on like open. So you have to make sure they're like, this looks so stupid. All right, another thing that I noticed was that they magnet on really fast. So like, it's like wherever it is, that's where it's gonna stay. So like, sometimes it can be really hard to get it right there in the corner or on the outer corner. Another thing, you have to be careful when you use tweezers because they're magnetic. So, you know, they could just magnet right on and they can just mess up everything. So then I tried doing it like this. And then you also have to be careful to make sure that they're like properly lined up. Another thing is, it's hard for me to do this on camera, but like this stuff kept happening to me. I'm like, these are supposed to be really simple and easy. Why is this so hard? So I'm gonna do this one more time and then I'm gonna show you what I did next. Also, if you can, try to put it on slow, like try to put it on like one magnet at a time, but it's so hard because they just magnet together so fast. See, and it's so hard for me to get it right there on the inner corner. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. You have to, unless you have plastic tweezers, just use your fingers. It'll be way easier. That's why I still couldn't get this eye all the way on the inner corner. These are just so difficult for me. Like honestly, I'm gonna just keep going though. So then I thought, you know, I'll just put on mascara. That'll help it stick to the lash better, and then it'll be easier for me to put on. So I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay mascara. Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm gonna take the top one and then use the mascara to help like stick it to the lash. Like that's helping it, but I don't know. So then I'm gonna take the bottom one. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's because I'm not looking in a mirror. Okay, so that's the best that I got it, but like, look, the thing is, it's still not attached in the corners. That one's a little bit better, but this one is still like not even touching. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's a good concept, but you gotta do all this extra stuff. So the last thing that I did, I decided to take some lash glue, okay? I prefer duo lash glue, but I forget why this is the only one that I have. And I'm gonna put like literally a tiny drop on both corners. And then you can use those to stick them to the corners. Okay, so this is the best that I can get them without, you know, completely gluing down the whole lash. So like I said, it's really hard for me to get it to stay in the corners. And it's not because it's not curved enough, it's just that once the magnet, you know, pulls onto the bottom lash, it kind of pulls away from the corner and makes it kind of just a straight line. But I figured, like, if you're gonna put the glue in the corner and then the mascara to make it stay, and if you're gonna do all of that work rather than just being able to stick it together, then you might as well just wear regular lashes, put the glue and just stick them on. I feel like that's way easier than trying to line it up and make sure that it's, like, you know, perfectly lined up, sticking to the corners and all of that. I do think that they are really pretty and they do last all day because they're a magnet, so the glue isn't just gonna fall off. And what else that I love about it is that since they're magnets, if your lashes were to fall off, which they wouldn't, you can just stick them back on. And that's great because I remember actually, like, last week I was at this event and my lash started to come off and I didn't have any glue, so you wouldn't have to worry about that with these. So there are pros and cons to them. You know, maybe you should try them out for yourself and maybe you'll just better understand them or find an easier way to do them. But me personally, I don't think the magnetic part is, like, I don't know, like, I do like these lashes, but if you want to get these lashes, you can just get them and stick them together for, like, the fuller effect, or just wear one if one is fine enough for you, and then just put them on like regular lashes. Because the magnetic, I don't know though, because I do like how it holds on to your real lashes, which is how it doesn't fall off. But I don't know, I'm gonna keep wearing them. I'm gonna practice more with them. I don't know. The other good thing though is that you don't have to keep cleaning off the glue because you don't have to use it along the whole lash. I don't know. I'm gonna keep working with it. I'm gonna stop rambling. Would I suggest it? I say you should try it because I feel like I may not fully understand it. This was kind of like a first impressions almost, kinda, because I only wore them once. So yeah, overall I do think that they're a little bit much. I feel like if you're gonna put on the mascara and then put the glue in the corners, I mean, I feel like it would just be way simpler to just get a pair of lashes and just put the glue and just stick them on. But maybe I need to just get used to them. I don't know. I'm gonna keep working with them because I do like them and I do think that they're a great concept, and I do like how the magnets hold on to your real lashes and that makes them stay on all day. I do like a lot of things about them except putting them on. So I feel like if I, you know, get better at putting them on, or if it were easier to put them on, they would be like a 9 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.